Hello, everybody. Try not to bounce the table.
Just two super chicks, sisters in stitches, doing a super cool video.
Cindy,
It's the Boxy Charm
Debbie.
Luxe.
Oh, the big box.
Mine didn't get here yet,
Oh,
so
too
I'm
bad.
kind of bummed. But we'll go through Cindy's.
And it comes once a quarter, and I think you pay $53.99. So you pay an extra $30 once a quarter for this box, but you get a ton of stuff. So, do you want to read this time?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's how the box comes.
It's Boxy Charm Getaway, so that must be.
And
for
you know, while we're
travel.
doing this, I know that we've been getting a lot of messages about Lola, and I thank you to the subscribers that said, hey, you guys might want to check it out. They're having problems. They're charging people. I did check it out. I did not get charged. I did get charged for my June box, so I don't know if I'm going to get it. I went to the website. The website's down, and I guess they're in bankruptcy. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get my Lola box. So I'm not sure what happened there.
So no more Lola, L-O-L-A, Baba Lola. That's too
Okay.
bad. That was a good box. I don't know why that. It has to be mismanagement because.
Yeah, it probably is. Okay, Living Proof. Now this line is my favorite hairline. I love their hairspray, their shampoos.
What does dry volume blast mean? What do you do with that?
Instant lasting volume and texture. I don't know. What does it say? Read it.
I did. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof full dry volume blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. Jeez. No wonder.
Oh, it smells really good, you guys.
Okay, now look at how flat my hair is. Let's see what it does to mine.
Hold on.
Does it say to spray at the roots?
I don't know.
It doesn't. But it's good for, safe for colored and chemically treated hair, which is good for both of us.
Well, look at it. It did. It gave me some volume. I mean, well, you have to fix your hair a little. No, on the roots, not on the ends.
Oh.
You need the volume on the roots. Well, you can't do this. Come on.
I'm trying to get it on the roots. My hair's longer than yours.
There, now you just kind of fluff.
Did it give me volume?
You can't use the whole can.
I'm not. I'm just spritzing. There. Did it give me volume?
It did, actually, up there.
Alrighty.
There you go.
Okay.
Wait.
Call me Blondie.
All right, so I am very, very happy, and this retails probably for quite a bit.
It
at
retails
least 30
for
bucks, right?
$29.
I called it. All right. Ooh, we got something in. I don't know what this is. It's
PYT Minute Turbo on the go dryer. That's a travel dryer like I got.
Oh,
Well, I got
really?
a travel straightener.
Aw, you guys look.
Perfect for our suitcases when we travel.
Oh yeah, this is great. All right, I'm
And that
happy with
retails
that.
for $85.
No way.
Yes way. Your new PYT Mini Turbo on the go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture.
Oh look, and they get a little like
Curling for curly hair.
scrunchy hair. Oh, this is so nice. You guys, I paid like $53 for this
The
box.
two products she just showed you are, well, $85 just for that dryer, and then the $30, that's already $110.
I would never pay $85 for a mini dryer, but that's really nice. Oh, and it has this. It must have fallen out, you know, this.
For the dryer, yeah.
Wow, very nice. You know what? Boxy Charm is probably the best box out there.
It's the only beauty box I get.
Oh, look what else is in here, you guys.
Okay, come on,
Look
we've
it.
still got stuff. Pull one thing
All
out at a
right.
time.
Let's go with this jar.
What
It
is
is Skin and Company.
It's a Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. It's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin.
Well, I don't think I need any
here,
radiator.
here.
Why do I want to do it on there?
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. My hand's getting sore.
Oh, there you go. There. Okay, okay.
How
I
does
think
it illuminate it?
it's supposed to mist, and you put it on your face after your makeup. There you go. Close your eyes. Sometimes you missed it like this.
I did. I misted it twice.
Am I radiating, people? Look, Debbie's
My
radiating
big
so
volume
much.
hair.
Look, right above her head. How much did this retail for?
It retails for
Truffle therapy?
yeah, it retails for $35. God.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this box is awesome. Dr. Brandt, he's got good stuff.
This is a clean biotic pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. It retails for $35. Don't open it if you don't have to. It's a cleaner. We can't put it on.
Very cool. You guys, this box is so worth it. If you guys get the opportunity,
For the
upgrade.
5th time, this box is so
It
worth
is.
it, guys.
Oh, you know what? No problem. I use their, we got like their primer in another box. So what is this stuff?
That is... let your makeup stay a while with your new Touchin' Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with, oh, there's that thing again, calendula.
I don't know what that is. Calendula. Do you guys know what that is?
This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth.
And I used their other stuff that we got in a Boxy Charm, and it was great. And
I'm still
almost
using
out.
it.
I'm almost out, so I'm really excited about
And
this.
that retails for $23.
All right, and now we have from Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, resurfacing night serum
Honey
with
Glow.
hydrating honey and gentle flower acids.
Oh, yes. This is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as... Oh, that might be good for our crepey necks. Put that on your neck at night. Maybe it'll tighten up.
Because y'all know you can have all the plastic surgery in the world, but your neck is a true tell sign.
Why can't they just pull that neck back too? Why can't they just like
Well, you
take
could
your
just-
neck and cut it? And...
No, you just get the little tape. You know, you put the tape here and back around, and it pulls it back like that. And then you take it off when you get
Like
home.
we've said before, you have to. What did that lady say a crepey neck was? And
It
a
was-
wedgie, right? Wedgie.
No, it was like a sticky or I don't know. A gobbler. Goblet?
No.
Oh well.
No.
All right. So moving on.
A wedgie. Oh,
We
shoot.
have Dominique Cosmetics. I'm not sure what
Dominique
this is. Is this a
Cosmetics.
lipstick?
Okay, and by the way, that night serum retails for $58.
How does Boxy Charm do this?
Okay, this is lemonade lip gloss, and it retails for $17. Well, I mean, I'd be interested to see this.
All right, here you go.
That's a nothing. That's a nothing color.
Unless it tastes like lemonade.
That's gonna take your lips out of play completely.
Doesn't taste. You know, it tastes kind of. It doesn't taste bad, actually.
It tastes like birthday cake.
Yeah, that's what it is. Like the icing from birthday cake. Ooh, I like it.
This would make me want to eat cake all day long.
And this is in the color Peach Tea. So this, how much was this one?
17.
All right, and then, oh, got another.
It says
thing in here.
these are good to layer with other lipsticks.
Okay, and now Trace Steak.
This is a mascara. Great for lengthening, volumizing, fun with the new Tracy Good Vibes mascara. This is an all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing.
And it says, flip down to curl. I don't know what I'm flipping down.
No, leave this in here.
Okay.
You can curl your eyelashes. Flip down to curl.
Oh, you guys, that's so cool.
This is the mascara. So when you're traveling, it's all in one. You can curl your eyelashes, and then you can unscrew it.
Well, you can only curl a few eyelashes at a time, though.
No, you can get a lot of them in there.
Oh yeah.
You can. It's a unique. I like it.
All right. Well, you guys, I know you're all dying to see.
I ain't doing it. I'll pull my eyelashes out. Can you see to do that? Gotta pull it down, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you got to do it like 3 times. I can't even get the thing in there. Oh.
Oh, oops.
It's not real user friendly.
Well, you're not doing it right.
All right, well, I'll have to practice. Have any of you guys got this? And if you did, let me know how it works. I like it. Then my favorite part
that retails for $25.
Wow.
This is a Tarte cheek palette.
You know, the volume in your hair looks like you just woke up.
Or I just look like one of those windblown babes. No, it looks like I
Just got off a motorcycle.
Yeah.
All right, Tarte. This is a...
It's a cheek palette.
Oh, a cheek palette. I love
It
Tarte.
retails for $45. I don't like their new foundation. They ruined their foundation. It was good before they upgraded it. Now it stinks.
These are some pretty summer colors.
Those would not even show up on my face. Blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer.
This is the bronzer. I heard to put dark under here and then it doesn't look like you have jowls.
I don't have jowls.
Not you, just people in general. My face is darker.
Well, that's not hard. You have white face. You have white skin.
Anyway, I love this. So, and this this
$45.
whole box. What is this whole box? I mean, this was an expensive box. Holy cow!
It's usually like $250 worth of stuff.
Wow, this is great. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link below if you guys have not tried out Boxy Charm and you're waiting.
And they
for
only sell
whatever
so
reason.
many, so if you don't get in while they've got them, you're out till the next time.
Yeah, and honestly, if you get the opportunity to upgrade and you pay an extra $30 once a quarter,
Totally worth it.
So worth it. So worth it. You will not be disappointed. So if you like our little try-ons and our beauty, what did she do? I'll link a couple of our other Boxy Charms. I'm sure that you would like some of our Joker ones.
Yeah, we have a classic one in there when Cindy was quite crazy with the lipstick and white face. But
this is our favorite box of the month.
this is
Beauty
my
box.
ultimate favorite beauty box of anything we've
Yeah.
ever tried. So Lola came in a close second, but not quite could they eclipse Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm goes over and above every other box I've ever gotten. And it's
Absolutely.
so worth the money. You'll never ever be disappointed. Sometimes we've gotten, like one time we got an eye pencil that we couldn't get it to color anything, but okay, one of the 5 items wasn't so great that time, but the other 4 items were worth the box. So you're never going to be disappointed, I promise you. If you are, call me. I'll buy it back. I love their boxes. I would.
I'm going to put a disclaimer. She was only kidding on the bottom.
Well, they don't have my phone number. Like I give it to you.
It is 765
555, like they do in the movies.
555
7802.
All right. Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for
Hope
tuning
you
in.
enjoyed it.
Hit the subscribe button. We are trying to get to 2,000 by Labor Day.
And I guarantee we will make you smile in every one of our videos.
Yes, we hope so. We smile in every one of our videos, so I hope you do too, but it really doesn't matter because we do this for fun and we have fun. So I hope you enjoy having fun with us, but if you don't, sorry.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
All right. Good night, ladies. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Good night. See you
night.
later.